Kuya Word Pinsanity versus UP Bibo. And this is the first quarter of the game. Kanino kaya mapupunta ang unang puntos? Here's number 1. To David. David aatake. No good. Pero makukuha niya pa rin ang bola. David, pull up for 3. No basket. Rebound by Villafranca. Pass to Nabasero. To Stevens, no basket. Silva. Bigal, may hawak ng bola. Bigal to David. Ipapasa sana kay Rojas pero tatama dito sa ilalim ng board. At matatapik ni Stevens. Palabas. Ball possession. Same ball pa din. Osana for 2. At ang unang puntos dito sa Kuya Word. Nabasero. To Bulacan. Back to Nabasero for 2. No basket. Ball fight between Osana and Villafranca. At ang possession ng bola mapupunta dito sa kupunan ng Kuya Word. Bigal dribbling the ball. Bigal fouled by number 8, Stevens. At Bigal in the free throw line para sa kanyang 2 shots. First free throw. Basket. Second free throw. No basket. Pero nandito si David para sa follow-up shot. 2 points by David. Natividad. To Nabasero. Atake. Pasok na pasok. 2 points by Nabasero. Bigal again, dribbling the ball. Pinasa kay Rojas, back to Bigal. Rojas to number 26, Osana, out of bounds. Ball possession dito sa UP Bibol Aspirants. Nabasero may hawak, pass to Natividad. To Villafranca. May hawak ng bola. Naghahanap ng mapapasahan. To Stevens for 2, no basket. Osana secured the ball. Pass to Bigal. Bigal atake. At Villafranca matatawagan dito ng foul. Same ball possession. Bigal for the inbound. Pass to David. And there's David. Fouled by number 8, Stevens. Bigal may hawak ng bola. Lay up. Easy 2 points by Bigal. Natividad. To Nabasero. Naghahanap ng mapapasahan. To Villafranca. Back to Nabasero. Bulacan. To Stevens. Pull up for 2. No basket. But here's Bulacan. Wala pa din. Bigal secured the ball. Bigal matatawagan ng offensive foul. Ball possession to UP Bibol Aspirants. Villafranca for the inbound. Pass to Nabasero. For 3, no basket. Save by Stevens. Pero kay Bigal mapupunta ang bola. Here's David. Pass to Rojas. And Rojas fouled by number 5, Nabasero. Warning for penalty na kaagad dito ang kupunan ng UP Bicol Aspirants. Ang ating score, 7-2 in favor of Kuya Word. David for the inbound. Pass to Bigal. For 2, no basket. Villafranca secure the ball. To Bulacan. To Navasero. Basket count. Number 4, David. David nakalagay sa
David yan, tangin.
David yan. Iba si Bigal, pass to David. For 2, no basket, but fouled by number 8, Stevens. At penalty na dito ang kupunan ng UP Bicol Aspirants. First free throw by David, basket. Second free throw, no basket. Pero si David pa rin makakakuha. Pass to Roas. Pull up for 2, no basket. David again. And David fouled by number 6, Bulacan. Free throw shot again by David. Ating score si 8-6 in favor of Kuya Word. 2-point lead lang para sa kupunan ng Kuya Word. First free throw ni David, basket. Second free throw, no basket. Pero mai-steal dito ni Roas ang bola. Ipapasa kay David. David for 2, no good. Osana. Pull up for 2, basket. 2 points by Osana. Villafranca receive the ball. Pass to Navasero. Navasero. Mai-istilan. Pero mapupunta sa labas ang bola. Ball possession to UP Bicol Aspirants. Angat sa 5 ang abante dito ng Kuya Word. Ibibigay ang possession ng bola dito sa Kuya Word. David Roas. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Alemania. Alemania. Ball fight between Alemania and Bulacan. At mapupunta ang bola dito sa UP Bicol Aspirants. Villafranca for the inbound. Pass to Navasero. Long pass to Natividad. At Natividad matatawagan dito ng traveling violation. Ball possession to Kuya Word. Roas for the inbound. Pass to Bigal. Pass to David. David atake for 2. No basket. But here's Osana. Matatapik palabas to Alemania. Wala pa din. Andito na naman. Osana. 2 points by Osana. Bulacan receive the ball. At nagkabanggaan ng ulo dito ng number 4 at ni Navasero. Ilalabas muna dito si David at si Nabasero. At matatawagan ng foul dito si David. Natividad to Nabasero. Nabasero full up for 3. No basket. Follow up by number 6 Bulacan for the easy 2 points. 13-8 ang ating score and we have 4 minutes dito sa ating first quarter. Bigal dribbling the ball. Pass to Osana. Nice pass. Easy 2 points by Osana. Nabasero to Natividad. Back to Nabasero. Nabasero. Lulusot. Atake. 2 points by Nabasero. What a nice offense by number 5. Bigal to Alemania. To Osana. To Rojas. And there's number 6. De Luna. No basket. To Rojas naman. Wala pa din. Rebound by Nabasero. Nagmamadali. Pass to Natividad for 2. Basket. 2 points by Natividad. Ating score 15-12. 3-point lead na lang ang kalamangan dito ng kupunan ng Kuya Word. And Bigal fouled by number 6 Bulacan. At penalty na dito ang kupunan ng UP Bibol aspirants. First free throw by Bigal, no basket. Second throw, no basket again. Rebound by number 24. Pass to Nabasero, to Natividad. Natividad, traveling violation. De Luna for the inbound. Pass to Bigal. Bigal dribbling the ball. Pass to Rojas. Pull up for 3. No basket. Here's Bulacan. Secure the ball. Pero makakukuha ang pasa dito. Bigal makakakuha. Pass to De Luna. De Luna fouled by number 6 Bulacan. And there's De Luna in the free throw line para sa kanyang 2 shots. First free throw. Second free throw. No basket again. But there's Nabasero. Secure the ball. Pass to Bulacan. No basket. Natividad secured the ball pero masusundot ni De Luna. Rojas. May hawak ng bola. Pass to Bigal. Bigal to Rojas for the reverse basket. 2 points by Rojas. Ang ating score 17-12. 5-point lead para sa kupunan ng Kuya Word. Still na naman Osana. To Bigal. For 2, basket again. Back-to-back points para sa kupunan ng Kuya Word. Still na naman. Osana to Rojas. Kaso mabibitawan dito ni Rojas ang bola. At mapapatawag ng timeout dito ang kupunan ng UP Bibol aspirants. At magbabalik ang San Pablo City Basketball League.
Kapag gumana to, champion tayo, tayo ang magto-toast.
Sumabay, dumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, tumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang-hoops, ang lupet, smooth as smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Nilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Nilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Nilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Nilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Come on, bounce the ball, likat sumabay. Bibihirang sumablay kahit sumakay. Mga maniti na nga'y street ballin'. Determinado sa laro, we can never fallin'. Kapag lumea parang agila, lakas ng stamina, run malamaki na. Kala mo nakakape pagkabarako. Kapag sumalaksak, lakat ay inaararo. Minulok pa si Steve Nash, diwid ang speed.
And we are back to our ball game, ball possession para sa kupunan ng UPB ball. Here's Nabasero, pass to Villafranca, matatapik. De Luna makakakuha, pass to Rojas. Rojas to Rivera. And there's Rivera to De Luna, atake, layup, basket. 2 points by De Luna. Last 1 minute dito sa ating first quarter. Villafranca may hawak ng bola. To Natividad, pull up for 2, no basket. And there's Osana, matatapikin kay Bigal. Rivera to Bigal, no basket. But Osana secured the points. 2 points by Osana. Natividad to Nabasero. Nabasero out of bounds. Ball possession to Kuya Word. De Luna for the inbound. Pass to Rivera. Rivera pinalusot sa dalawang hita ang bola at pinasa kay Bigal, kaso mapapalabas ang bola. At mapupunta ang possession dito sa kupunan ng UPB Ball Aspirants. Last 23 seconds sa ating first quarter. Nandang, layup, blocked by De Luna. Ball possession to Kuya Words. De Luna secured. Referee's decision, ball possession to UPB Ball Aspirants. Last 15 seconds. Nandang for the inbound. Pass to Roa. To number 19, to Villafranca. And there's Rojas. Number 13, full up for 3, no basket. Rebound by De Luna. And there our score on the first quarter, 23-12 in favor of Kuya Word. At dito nagtatapos ang ating first quarter of the game.
Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Velvet Daily. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Velvet Daily. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Velvet Daily. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin.
Ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Huwag kang matakot na ito ay harapin, dahil ang tunay na bida di.
And we are back dito sa ating second quarter of the game. Ball possession to Kuya Word. There's a committee timeout. At magbabalik ulit ang San Pablo Basketball League.
Sumabay, dumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang-hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet League Basketball, liga, 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 liga. 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 Ha! Bawal dito ang mahina. Dapat lagi kang kumpiyansa kapag tumitira. Maging panalo kada lalaro sa liga, di ka papagulang kahit pa napakalakas nila. Ipakita mo ang tunay na galing, na di ka pwede dapat na maliitin. Kung usapan ay laro dapat halimaw. Sintaas ng bola pag hinagis kakasilaw. Tignan mong maigi ang iyong paligid, baka may umagaw, pasa mo sa gilid. Titira ng tres, walang sasabay, babaan lahat, matik to walang sablay. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako, tumitres, tumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet League Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet League Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet League Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet League Basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Dito sa laro, di lang puro at
And we are back to our ball game. Dito pa rin tayo sa ating second quarter of the game. Number 11, pass to Rivera. Rivera dribbling the ball. Maaagawan dito ni Roa. Roa. Roa again. Villafranca to 3 Unidad. To Tandang. Tandang for 2. Basket. 2 points by Tandang. Garcia dribbling the ball. Pass to Rivera. Rivera for 2. No basket. Here's Villafranca. Pass to Roa. Roa. Matatapikan dito ni Garcia. And there's Garcia to Rivera for 2. Easy basket. Villafranca to Roa. Pass to Tandang. Out of bounds. Ball possession to Kuya Word. De Luna to Garcia. Garcia. Ibibigay kay Ulisa. Ulisa fouled by number 27, Villafranca. Rivera, sidestep for 2, basket, 2 points by Rivera. Roa received the ball. To number 13, to Villafranca, full up for 2, no basket, same ball possession. Roa received the ball, pass to Bulacan. Bulacan, back to Roa. To Tandang, full up for 3, no basket. Garcia secure the ball. Ibibigay dito kay Rivero para masusundot dito. Ni number 13. Same ball possession pa rin. Rivera for the inbound. Back to Rivera. Lay up. No basket. Tandang secure the ball. Tandang for 3. No basket. Garcia. Secure the ball. Garcia maiistilan ni Roa. Roa to Dumayas for 2. No basket. Same ball possession. Ang ating score dito, 27-14 in favor of Kuya Word. Roa receive the ball. Pass to Bulacan. Back to Roa pero hindi makukuha ang bola. Same ball possession. Roa receive the ball. Pull up for long 3. No basket. De Luna secured the rebound. To Rivera. Rivera for 2. No basket. Garcia to De Luna for 2. Easy basket by De Luna. Bulacan. May hawak ng bola. Mabibitawan. Ulisa. To Rivera. Easy basket. Tandang. Fouled by number 15, Ulisa. Tandang for the inbound. Pass to Roa. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Toblete. Back to Roa. To Bulacan. Roa again. Pull up for 2. No basket. Reverse shot by number 14. No basket. There's Garcia to Rivera. To Luna. Atake sa ilalim. Basket. 2 points by De Luna. Roa dribbling the ball. Pass to Bulacan. Matatapik dito ni Olisa. Ibibigay kay De Luna ang bola. De Luna again. No good but fouled by number 7. Roa. Roa out. At ipapasok dito si number 20, Suarez. First throw ni De Luna, no basket. And there's the second free throw. No basket again. Rebound by number 14. Garcia. Masusundot pero makukuha dito ni Suarez. And Bulacan blocked by De Luna. Here's number 92, Tolentino. Pero makukuha ni De Luna ang bola. And there's Rivera, no good. And fouled by number 14. We have 5 minutes and 43 seconds dito sa ating second quarter. First free throw by Rivera, no basket. Second free throw, basket. Suarez. Mai-steal ang pasa and there's Suarez. Rivera, no good. Same ball possession. Garcia for the inbound. Pass to Tolentino. Tolentino to Rivera. To De Luna. And there's De Luna. No basket. Olisa for 2. Basket. 2 points by Olisa. Bulacan may hawak ng bola. Pass to Tandang. To Suarez. And Suarez fouled by number 11, Garcia. Tandang out at papasok na dito si Nabasero. Suarez matatapik ang pasa. But Suarez still the ball to Garcia, and there's Bulacan, full up for 3, no good. Tolentino secured the rebound. Ibibigay kay Garcia to number 10, Rivera. Here's Rivera for the layup, no basket. Rebound by Tabuete. 2 points by Nabasero. Ang ating score 36-16 in favor of Queward. Garcia to Rivera. To Tolentino, pull up for 3. No basket. At may foul doon sa ilalim. De Luna matatawagan ng pushing foul. Four minutes and 15 seconds dito sa ating second quarter. Here's Nabasero. Pass to Bulacan for 3, no basket. De Luna secured the rebound. Here's Rivera for the layup. Basket, 2 points by Rivera. Nabasero dribbling the ball. Pass to Suarez for 2, no basket. But here's Bulacan. Follow-up shot, wala pa din. Tabuete to Suarez, no good again. Number 92, Tolentino secured the rebound. And there's Rivera to Olisa, basket. 40-16 ang ating score. At Kuya Word pa rin ang may kalamangan na Basero for 3. No good. De Luna secured the ball. Rivera may hawak ng bola. Rivera. Lifting violation by Rivera at timeout para sa kupunan ng UP B-Ball at magbabalik ang San Pablo City Basketball League.
May sportsmanship, bandang huli lahat tayo ay mananalo. Kahit mag-beast mode, appear lahat ng manlalaro.
Sumabay, dumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang-hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Teka wait pare, pasa mo yung bola. Libre yung kakampi mo, wag ka naman suga pa. Hindi mananalo kung wala kang tiwala. Kaya nga kayo grupo kasi di mo kaya mag-isa. Hustle hard, wag kang tama rin, depensa lang. Pag alam mo kaya mo, wag kang mailang. Bigay lahat na makakaya, oras ay bilang. Pasa mo sa libre, tira tres, foul, basket bang. All eyes on you pag nasa court, kaya give your best. Teamwork at coordination, gumawa na set. Tiwala lang sa team, wala dapat mainis. Focus lang sa goal para sure win, effortless. Pag di mo na kaya, pasab ka lang sa
And we are back to our ball game. UPB ball, Aspirants ball possession. Here's Juarez. Pass to Nabasero, full up for 2. 2 points by Nabasero. 40-18 ang ating score. At 22-point lead para sa kupunan ng Kuya Word. And there's Bulacan for the reverse layup basket. Silva to Manarang for 2. Basket, 2 points by Manarang. Ito na pala si Manarang. Pinasok na sa loob. Nabasero dribbling the ball. Naghahanap ng mapapasahan. Pass to Bulacan. Ball fight between De Luna, kaso matatawagan dito ng traveling violation. De Luna for the inbound. To Silva. Pass to Rivera. Rivera. Offensive foul by Rivera. Number 25, Manarang, offensive foul. Nabasero may hawak ng bola. To Bulacan. To Nabasero. Masusundutan at mapupunta dito. Itabuete ang bola. To Nabasero. Suarez for 2, no basket. Suarez again. Pass to Tabuete for 3, no basket. Manarang rebound. Pass to Silva. Maiistilan. Nabasero makakakuha ng bola. Nabasero. No basket. Here's number 5, Silva. Atake. No good. De Luna. Wala pa din. De Luna again. 2 points by De Luna. Last 45 seconds. Tabuete dribbling the ball. Pass to Bulacan. Bulacan sidestep. And Bulacan fouled by number 23. At penalty na dito ang Kuya Word. Stevens in the free throw line para sa kanyang 2 shots. First free throw, no basket. Second free throw, no basket again. Repeat the second free throw. Stevens again for the last throw. Basket. Our score 44-21. Silva to Manarang. Makukuha ni Tabuete ang pasa. And Tabuete, basket. 2 points by Tabuete. Rojas. Pass to Silva. Silva dribbling the ball. Pass to Manarang. Manarang. To De Luna for 2. No basket. But fouled by number 13, Tabuete. At warning for penalty na dito ang UP Bicol Aspirants. 2 free throws para kay De Luna. First free throw, no basket. Second free throw, no basket again. Nabasero secured the ball. Last 7 seconds. And 2 points by number 14, Garcia. At yun ang huling puntos. Ang ating score, 44-25 in favor of Kuya Word. At dito nagtatapos ang ating second quarter of the game.
Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin.
Ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Huwag kang matakot na ito ay
The first game, official score po natin 44-23 in favor of Kuya Word Pinsanity Basketball Team. Hindi naging handlang sa Kuya Word X Pinsanity Basketball Team ang pagkawala ng ilang players or late na pagdating ng ilan sa mga core players ng team upang magkaroon pa rin sila ng maagang kalamangan. As for the team players, we're still consistent in giving pressure to the opposing team. That gives them perfect chances for rebound and steals, but at the same time, securing a point. Sa current standing ngayon ng Kuya Word, nandyan yung hindi nalalayong masecure nila ang spot sa ating quarterfinals. Will they take the lead up until the end of this game? Yan ang abangan natin sa second half ng larong ito. Kaya tutok lang po sa ating Facebook livestream and pakinggan naman po natin ang report sa kabilang koponan kay Diana.
Thank you, Shaka. Play as if it's your last game. Play as if it's championship. Yan ang sabi ni Coach Joe sa UP Bicol Aspirants. Dagdag niya pa rito that the player should not play the ball half-heartedly. Dapat lagi lang all out. This is how he reminds his players na magbigay ng magandang performance sa laban nila ngayong araw. During this first half, kapansin-pansin din dito na medyo mahina yung depensang ibinibigay ng mga players. Kaya naman, Coach Joe reminded these players of the trainings that they have done before yung laro nila ngayong araw. Sabi nga ni Coach Joe, execute nyo lang yung mga pinaghandaan natin, make accurate passes, execute effective defense, then convert those defenses into offenses. Will the UP B-Ball aspirants be able to take over the game for this day? Abangan natin yan, kaya tutok lang dito sa ating Facebook page for more updates. And with that, back to the ball game.
Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin.
Ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Huwag kang matakot na ito ay harapin. Dahil ang tunay na bida dito ay ikaw pa rin. Ilabas mo ang natatangi mo na galing. Ito ang Velvet The League, maghahatid sa'yo sa daan na matuwid. Kaya halina, ipasa na ang bola. At bago mo itira, dapat ay kumpiyansa. Ito'y makakatulong sa pisikal at mentalidad, lalo sa
And we are back dito sa ating third quarter of the game. And Kuya Word, Pinsanity versus People Aspirants. And here's the third quarter. Ball possession to UP B-Ball. Nabasero dribbling the ball. Pass to Stevens. To Natividad. Natividad to Nabasero. Nabasero mabibitawan. Mapupunta kay Villafranca. Full up for 3. No basket. Follow up shot by Nabasero. Nabasero again. No good. Villafranca to Stevens for 2. Wala pa din. Osana secure the ball. Pass to Bigal. Bigal nagmamadali. Bigal to Rojas for 2. No basket. But fouled by number 8, Stevens. At mayroon ng 4 na foul dito si number 8, Stevens. At warning for graduate na po. Rojas, first free throw, no basket. Second free throw, no basket again. Bulacan. Fouled by number 26, Osana. At Stevens, ilalabas muna dito. At papalitan dito ni number 14, Garcia. Bulacan para sa kanyan. 2 shots. First free throw, no basket. Second free throw, basket. Ating score 44-26. Rojas mabibitawan ng bola. Natividad. Pass to Nabasero. Full up for 3. Masyadong malakas. Bigal secure the ball. Long pass to Rojas. Libreng-libre. 2 points by Rojas. Bulacan. Ang may hawak ng bola. To Nabasero. Full up for 2. No good. Nabasero again. Makakakuha ng bola. Ibibigay dito kay number 99, Nabasero for 2. No basket, but fouled by number 13, Bantoy. 2 free throws to Nabasero. First free throw, no basket. Second free throw, basket. Osana for the inbound. Pass to Bigal. Ibibigay kay Manarang. Manarang nagmamadali. Manarang. Black by number 14, Garcia. And there's Nabasero. to Natividad. No basket. Osana secure the ball. Pass to Manarang. Manarang to Rivera. Rivera full up for 3. No basket. Osana for 2. 2 points by Osana. 48-27 ang ating score. Here's Natividad. Pass to Nabasero. Nabasero for 2. Basket. 2 points by Nabasero. Bigal may hawak ng bola. 1v1 with Natividad. Pass to Rivera. Full up for 2. No basket. And Rivera fouled by number 27, Villafranca. Rivera 2 shots. First free throw. Basket. Second free throw. No basket. Rebound by Osana. 2 points by Osana. Suarez. Suarez for 2. No basket. Villafranca to Nabasero. Nabasero for 2. Wala pa din. Makukuha ni Osana ang bola. To Bigal. And there's Rivera. Libre. Basket by Rivera. 2 points. Bulacan may hawak ng bola. Ibibigay kay Suarez. To Nabasero. To Garcia. Garcia back to Suarez. To Nabasero. To Villafranca. Bulacan titira ng 3. No basket. Manarang. At Manarang matatawagan doon ng pushing foul. Same ball possession. Villafranca to Bulacan to Garcia. Ibibigay kay Suarez. Dribbling the ball. Pull up. Kaso mabubutata. Follow up shot by Bulacan. 2 points. Manarang receive the ball. Back to Bigal. Bigal, ipapasa sana dito kay Bantoy. Basero, dribbling the ball. Pass to Bulacan. Matatapik, Rivera makakakuha. Here's Rivera. Pass to Osana for the layup. No basket. Villafranca. Rivera, matatawagan dito ng foul. Warning for technical ang pupunan ng Kuya Word. Here's Nabasero, dribbling the ball. Back to Villafranca. To Bulacan, full of for 3. Masyadong malakas. Rebound by Manarang. Manarang. Masusundutan dito. Villafranca. Pass to Bulacan, full of for 2. Basket, 2 points by Bulacan. And we have 53-33 ating score. And we have 5 minutes and 11 seconds dito sa ating third quarter. Ball possession to Kuya Word. Bigal, receive the ball. Bigal, idediretso na, libre. 2 points by Bigal. Villafranca to Navasero. Back to Villafranca. Villafranca. Balik ulit kay Navasero. Navasero, aatake sa gilid. No basket. Follow-up shot by Garcia pero wala. Bulacan, still the pass. And there's Villafranca to Navasero. Bulacan for 3. No basket. Navasero makakakuha ng bola. Navasero for 2. Wala pa din. Bigal secured the rebound. And there's Bigal. Makukuha ang pasa. Bigal, masusundatan dito si Villafranca. And there's Bigal for the easy layup. 2 points by Bigal. Bulacan to Navasero. Garcia to Navasero. Navasero for 2. O basket. Bigal may hawak ng bola. Ibinigay kay Manarang. Manarang layup. No basket but fouled by number 14 Garcia. Ang ating score 57-33 in favor of Kuya Word, and we have 3 minutes and 17 seconds dito sa ating third quarter. Manarang in the free throw line. First free throw, no basket. Second free throw. Oh, basket again. Navasero secured the ball. Pass to Bulacan. Bulacan atake. Bigal secured the ball. Bibigay dito kay Garcia ang bola. Garcia. Pass to Bigal pero makukuha dito ni Villafranca ang pasa. Villafranca libre-libre, no good. Rebound by Manarang to Rivera. And there's Rivera. Rivera, reverse layup. Basket. 2 points by Rivera. 59-33 ang ating score. And there's Bulacan. Layup. Wala pa din. Manarang again. Dribbling the ball. Manarang. Pass to Garcia. To Rivera. And there's Rivera. Sidestep for 2. No basket. Navasero. Ang atake for 2. Basket count by Navasero. And fouled by number 1, Bigal. At para sa kanya, 3-point play, no basket. Pero Navasero pa rin makakakuha. Full of for 2. No good. And Dumayas, fouled by number 1 again, Bigal. At penalty na dito ang kupunan ng Kuya Word. For the last throw, no basket. Osana secured the ball. Binigay kay Bigal. To Garcia. No basket by number 29, Alemania. Villafranca, mabibitawan ng bola. Ball possession back to Kuya Word. Osana for the inbound. Pass to Garcia. Pass to Rivera. Rivera din double team. To Bigal. To Alemanya. And there's Alemanya. Black by Dumayas. Bulacan save the ball. Pass to Dumayas. To Suarez. And there's Tabuete. To Villafranca. Mai-istilan dito si Bulacan ni Rivera. Here's Rivera. Rivera for 2. No basket. At matatawagan dito si Rivera ng offensive foul. Last 1 minute and 6 seconds dito sa ating third quarter. 59-35 ang ating score. Villafranca to Bulacan. Mabibitawan ng bola. Garcia to Rivera. Libre-libre. 2 points by Rivera. Villafranca to Suarez. To Tabuete for 3. Oh, basket. Here's Bulacan. Black by Bigal. Bulacan again. No good. Dumayas. Basket count. And fouled by number 1, Bigal. Dumayas para sa kanyang 3-point play. Oh, basket. Rebound by Osana. Pass to Bigal. Last 25 seconds. And there's Rivera again for 2. No basket. Offensive foul na naman ang itatawag dito kay Rivera. At injury timeout muna po tayo dito at magbabalik at San Pablo City Basketball League.
Bola, bola, bola slide. Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang-hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet League Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet League Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet League Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet League Basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Dito sa laro, di lang puro atake. Dapat meron kang diskarte, di pwedeng makasarili. Galawang malapro, Jason Williams kung pumasa. Double crossover na parang Iverson gumana. Iwanang babantay sa'yo, fake sabay rekta. Quick release ang banat parang Steph Curry tumira. Wag nga lang pakumpiyansa sa laro, bilog ang bola. Manalo sa laban, yan din gusto nilang makuha. Ipasa ang bola kapag hindi mo na kaya. Buong loob kang magtiwala sa iyong mga kasama. Iwasan ng turnover, tanggalin ang iyong kaba. Natural.
And we are back to our ball game. Bulacan for the inbound to Suarez. To Villafranca. Back to Suarez. To Pubuete for 3. No basket. Rebound by Villafranca. Mai-steal ba? Villafranca pa din. There our score on the third quarter. 61-37 in favor of Kuya Word. At dito nagtatapos ang ating third quarter of the game.
Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo.
And here we back dito sa ating fourth and final quarter. Ball possession to Kuya Word. At Manarang ang tatanggap ng bola. Manarang. Dediretso ba? Pass to number 29, Alemania, no basket. Pubuete, matatawagan doon ng technical foul. Alemania para sa kanyang technical free throw, no basket. Plus ball possession.
Same ball po tayo. Shot clock,
14 on the shot clock. Manarang for the inbound. To Tolentino. Tolentino, no basket. Rebound by Pubuete. Pass to Villafranca. To Suarez. Blocked by Manarang. Manarang nagmamadali. Manarang atake. Basket. 2 points by Manarang. Suarez to Villafranca. To Bulacan. Back to Villafranca. For 2. No good. Rebound by Bulacan. Pass to Villafranca. To number 13. Pubuete. No good. Villafranca. To Bulacan. Fires for 3. Wala pa din. Pubuete. To Villafranca. Sidestep. For 2. No basket. Tolentino secured the ball to Silva. Silva. Pass to Manarang. Manarang. Back to Silva. And there's Silva for the layup. No good. Same ball possession. Ang ating score 63-37 in favor of Kuya Word. And we have 8 minutes and 22 seconds dito sa ating fourth and final. Manarang may hawak ng bola. Olisa. Matatawagan dito ng offensive foul dahil sa illegal screening. Mapupunta ang possession ng bola dito sa kupunan ng UP Bicol aspirants. Here's Suarez to Garcia. Ipapasa sana kay Pubuete, kaso papupunta sa labas ang bola, out of bounds. Ball possession to Kuya Word. And there's Manarang for the inbound. Pass to Silva. Dribbling the ball. Ibabalik dito kay Manarang. To Silva for 2. Nice pass by Manarang. And 2 points for number 5, Silva. Suarez, long pass to Villafranca. Full of for 2. 2 points by Villafranca. Silva, dribbling the ball. Pass to Manarang. Manarang. Dribbling the ball. Manarang. To Alemania. Alemania for 2. Oh, basket. Olisa makakakuha ng bola. Back to Silva. Silva for 3. No good. Villafranca secure the ball. Pass to Nabasero. And there's Nabasero to Suarez. No basket but fouled by number 5, Silva.
Silva, first personal foul. Second team foul.
Suarez, 2 shots. First free throw. No basket. Second free throw. No basket again. Pero makakukuha ng Nabasero ang bola. Suarez again. Blocked by Olisa. And there's Manarang dribbling the ball. Manarang, 1v1 with Suarez. Pass to Silva. Silva, masusundutan ni Suarez. Pupunta kay Poblete ang bola. Pero mai-steal dito ni Silva. Di makukuha ni Olisa ang pasa dito ni number 5. Kaya ang possession dito mapupunta sa UPB ball. Here's Villafranca for 2. No good. Garcia for the rebound. To Nabasero. Nabasero sidestep for 2. No basket. Manarang for the rebound. To Olisa. Olisa. Pass to Tolentino. Tolentino for 2. Traveling violation by Tolentino. We have 5 minutes and 40 seconds dito sa ating 4th and final. At shoutout sa lahat ng ating viewers ngayong hapon na ito. At shoutout din sa San Pablo City Referees Association or SPCRA. And shoutout kay Sir Enrique Enriquez, ang pinakamagaling at pawang referee ng San Pablo City. At bago mag-end itong ating 4th and final quarter, ay nais ko lamang shoutout o i-mention ang ating mga special partnership with Wilson Basketball Philippines, sponsored by Cafe Amarillo, Blue Steels, Dutch Delight, City Councilor Juan Carmela Acevedo with the Acevedo Optical, JEJ Autocare Services, Tina's Takoyaki, at kay Mr. Chairman Robin Narbaja. And this Velvet D-League San Pablo League is powered by Velvet Media Incorporated by Mr. JJ Maghirang. And now we are back to our ball game. At medyo mainit na ang labanan dito sa magkabilang kupunan. Stevens, full up for 2. No basket. Manarang secure the ball. Back to Silva. Silva to Alemanya. Mai-istilan dito ni Garcia. And there's Garcia. Black. By number 25, Manarang. Alemanya to Manarang. Back to Alemanya. Alemanya to number 92, Tolentino for 3. No basket. Olisa for 2. Wala pa din. And Jer Silva, no good again. Out of bounds. Ball possession. Same ball pa din. Tatlong beses na itinira dito pero wala pa rin pumasok. And there's Manarang dribbling the ball. Last 10 seconds on the shot clock. Manarang masusundutan ni Villafranca. Here's Villafranca for the layup. No good. Follow-up shot by Bulacan. Wala pa din. Out of bounds. Ball possession to Kuya Word. Ang ating score 65-39 dito sa ating 4th and final. Alemanya receive the ball. Ibibigay kay Manarang. To Silva. And there's Silva to Olisa for 2. Basket, 2 points by Olisa. 67-39. Stevens to Villafranca, full for 2. No good. Olisa. makakakuha ng bola. Ibibigay kay Manarang. Manarang. No basket but fouled by number 8, Stevens. At Stevens, mapapalabas na dito dahil foul out na po. Dito si number 8. Manarang in the free throw line para sa kanyang 2 shots. First free throw by Manarang. We have 3 minutes and 21 seconds dito sa ating fourth and final. First free throw, no basket. For the second free throw, basket. And there's Suarez dribbling the ball. Pull up for long 3. Short. Ball possession to Kuya Words. Garcia may hawak ng bola. Here's Garcia. Pass to Bantoy. And there's Bantoy for the reverse shot. No basket. Nabasero to Villafranca. Villafranca to Bulacan. Back to Villafranca. No good. Nabasero naman ang susubok. Nabasero, 2 points. Ang ating score, 68-41. In favor pa rin po sa Kuya Word. Long pass with Tolentino. Tolentino for 2. No basket. Nabasero. Suarez. Suarez. Atake. No basket. And there's Nabasero for 2. Basket. 2 points by Nabasero. Arreglado pass. So Garcia. Last 2 minutes. Dito sa ating fourth. Tolentino again for 2. No basket. Suarez to Nabasero. Nabasero lay up. Basket. Bantoy. For the inbound, received by Garcia. Dribbling the ball. Long pass by Ulisa. Pull up for 3. No basket. Pero nandito si Tolentino. Ipapasa kay Arreglado. Wala pa din. Villafranca to Nabasero for 2. Back-to-back points by Nabasero. Bantoy received the ball. Last 1 minute and 10 seconds. Bantoy for 2. Basket by Bantoy. Ang ating score, 70-47. And there's Nabasero again for 2. No basket but fouled by number 23, Arreglado. Nabasero in the free throw line para sa kanyang 2 shots. First free throw, basket. Second free throw, no basket. Rebound by Arreglado. Pass to Bantoy. Bantoy dribbling the ball. Mabibitawan dito ni Bantoy ang bola. Ball possession to UP Bibol Aspirants. Last 51 seconds. Nabasero for the inbound. To Roa. To number 18. Gumba for 3. No basket. Roa. Atake, Roa, no basket. Fouled by number 15, Olisa. Roa for 2 shots. Roa first throw, no basket. Second free throw, no basket again. At mukhang si Olisa na naman ang matatawagan dito. Number 15, Olisa, matatawagan dito ng unsportsman foul. At penalty na din dito ang Kuya Word. First free throw by Borja. No basket. Second free throw, basket. And there's Bulacan for the inbound. Last 30 seconds. Roa for 2, no good. Gumba for 2, no basket again. Here's Tolentino. Dino-double team. Pass to Garcia, mai-steal ni Bulacan ang bola. And there's Bulacan for the layup. Basket. 2 points by Bulacan. Garcia dribbling the ball. At mukhang sasagad na. Garcia for 2. No basket. Last 8 seconds. Silva mai-stealan. Dito si Roa. And 2 points by Silva. 72-53 ang ating score. 72-51 ang ating score. At dito nagtatapos ang ating fourth and final quarter of the game.
Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin.
Ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Huwag kang matakot na ito ay harapin. Dahil ang tunay na bida dito ay ikaw pa rin. Ilabas mo ang natatangi mo na galing. Ito ang Velvet Deli, maghahatid sa'yo sa daan na matindi.
And that ends the game between the Kuya Word X Pinsanity and the UP Basketball Aspirants. The winning team is the Pinsanity or the Kuya Word X Pinsanity Basketball Team. Congratulations sa team and also sa'yo. We have here the best player of the game, jersey number 26, Usana. If I'm not mistaken, Usana, ayan. Congratulations sa'yo. Ano yung nararamdaman mo?
Happy lang.
Hindi mo sinunod yung sabi nung isa doon. Sabi, ang isagot mo masaya. Okay, happy lang, happy lang. And last question, ano yung motivation mo sa paglalaro ng basketball?
Family ko tsaka mga kapimits ko, kaka-coach.
Coach, ang dami nila.
Kaka-coach ko.
Oo. Ano, last question. Kanina pa ako last, no? Yung mga tinuturo sa inyo ng mga coaches natin, ano yung pinaka-tumatatak sa'yo?
Sa depensa at pagkabadin.
Okay. Meron ka bang gustong sabihin? I-shout out? Gusto mo? Wala na ho. Okay, very straightforward ang ating best player of the game ngayon. And with that, tutok lang tayo sa ating Facebook page, San Pablo City Basketball, para sa susunod nating laro between the Caramblers and SCBA Elite.
Ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga.